think it's in Moana, and that they explode, and there's lava inside. That's all I know about volcanoes.
As a result of plate movement, magma usually rises to the surface through cracks and gaps under the earth. When built-up pressure under the earth is released, magma explodes onto the surface, causing a volcanic eruption. Lava, which is magma that reaches the Earth's surface, cools and forms new crust. Over time, after many eruptions, the rock builds up and a volcano forms.
Hey, where do volcanoes come from?
The Earth's tectonic plates are in a slow, constant state of motion. Volcanoes can form from two different types of plate boundaries, divergent and convergent plate boundaries. The first, divergent, are ones where the plates move away from each other, whereas convergent boundaries move towards each other, and the more dense plate will sink under the less dense plate. The third type is transform boundaries, where they slide past each other, and no new crust is formed. Therefore, volcanoes do not form from these boundaries. And in both divergent and convergent boundaries, this is where magma will rise up.
Where are volcanoes located?
Volcanoes occur all over the Earth, both on the surface and underwater. The most concentrated area of active volcanoes is called the Ring of Fire in the Pacific Ocean.
So, say there's a volcano. What do I need to do?
The first thing you need to do is evacuate the area beforehand. If not, avoid river valleys and find higher ground. The next thing is to stay away from bridges to escape mud flow and flooding. And lastly, you need to prepare supplies in case of power outages and lack of public water service.
Oh, okay.
That being said, can you tell me what happens after a volcano erupts?
I don't know. I do.
After an eruption, magma reaches the Earth's surface, now being called lava. Lava and violently erupted pieces of rock and dust attack and destroy anything in its path. It's really quite scary and fascinating.
Thank you, dinosaurs, for teaching me about volcanoes.